Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English practice podcast. My name is Clara.
Hi, everyone. I am Alex. Today we have a great topic.
Oh, yeah.
We are going to talk about our morning routines.
That's right. A routine is what you do every day.
Exactly. So, Alex, let me ask you first. Do you like mornings?
To be honest, no, I don't. I am definitely a night owl. I like the evening.
Right. Yeah, mornings are just hard for me. What about you, Clara?
I am the complete opposite. I love mornings.
Really?
Yeah, I'm an early bird. I like to start the day early.
That is amazing. So, what time do you usually wake up?
I always wake up at 6 in the morning.
6 a.m.? Wow, that is very early.
I know.
What is the first thing you do?
Well, first, I drink a big glass of water.
Okay.
Then I stretch and do yoga for about 20 minutes.
Wow.
It really helps me wake up my body. What time do you wake up, Alex?
I usually wake up at 8 a.m. My alarm rings,
Mm-hmm.
but sometimes I sleep for, 10 more minutes.
You press the snooze button. What do you do when you finally get out of bed?
First, I go to the bathroom and wash my face.
Yeah?
Then I take a really quick shower. Have to be fast because I am usually late.
Do you have time to eat breakfast?
Barely.
You know, breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
I know, but I am usually in a hurry. Sometimes I eat a quick piece of toast,
Okay.
but I always drink a large cup of black coffee.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, I need coffee to open my eyes. Do you drink coffee, Clara?
No, I actually don't drink coffee. I prefer tea.
Oh, tea.
Yep, I drink a hot cup of green tea. And I always eat a big, healthy breakfast.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat 2 eggs, some bread, and an apple or a banana.
Sounds good.
And I like to sit down and eat slowly.
That sounds very nice and relaxing. I wish I had more time in the morning.
Yeah.
What time do you leave for work?
I leave my house at 8:30 a.m. I am lucky because my office is near my house.
Nice.
I just walk to work. It takes about 15 minutes.
I see. I leave my apartment at 8:45 a.m.
Okay.
My office is far, so I have to take the bus. And the bus is always crowded in the morning.
Wow, it sounds like our mornings are very different, Alex. My morning is slow and quiet. Definitely. And your morning is fast and busy.
Yes, very different. But hey, we both make it to work on time.
Exactly. Everyone has a different routine that works for them.
Now, here is a question we would like you, our listeners, to think about.
Ooh, good one.
Are you an early bird like Clara or a night owl like me? And what is the first thing you do when you wake up?
Practice your English by answering this question in your head.
Yep.
Or write it down. Thank you for listening today.
See you next time. Have a great morning.